What's up, everybody? My name is Chad Curry, aka Chipmunk, and I want to thank y'all for all the shout outs, all the love, all the friend requests. I appreciate that. Um, Disney, Nickelodeon, if y'all listening right now, I'm trying to be a voiceover actor, and I'm 24 years old. Uh, I love doing what I do. It's like pretty much the most fun thing in the world to do. I've been doing it since I was a kid. I can mimic a lot of different people, and like these YouTube videos is like the fastest way I know of to get there. It got Jay Farrell to where he is. I'm not saying it's gonna do the exact same thing for me, but it's worth everything is worth a shot. And I'm saying that to y'all and everybody else that's out there trying to do what I'm doing as well. But mainly, I just want to thank everybody that's showing me love right now, and I will keep the videos coming. I really will. I'm gonna try to. For as long as y'all sending me shout outs and friend requests, I'm gonna keep the videos coming. And once again, thank y'all. Appreciate it.